Hi, we're going to do another video just as one more example of how to do Punnett square problem. So here is our example problem. It says that we have tall is dominant over short in pea plants, and they want you to show the cross, which means the combination of parents that are homozygous short, a homozygous short plant that is crossed with a homozygous tall plant. So first, in these problems, you need to look at what you have as your genotypes or codes for your parents. So the first parent is tall. Tall is dominant over short plants. So if you go up to the top of our page here, dominant is always represented in capital letters, and we're going to use some letters here to do this, like just to come up with our codes. Tall is dominant. We can use a letter T to represent tall. It says show the cross of homozygous short. Homozygous means that they have the same type of allele, and if it's homozygous short, it's going to be the two lowercase letters, okay, because tall is dominant. So we need to have our first parent be two lowercase t's, homozygous short, and we are crossing this with a homozygous tall plant, so both the letters would be capital T's. Okay, so those are our two genotypes or codes that we would put on our Punnett square. So if you go over to the Punnett square, you can put one code up on the top of the square. So we could say, okay, maybe we'll put the two lowercase t's on the top. Okay, and then on the side, we could say, we could put the capital letters. Okay, we could put one capital letter there, and we could put the other one. Sorry, I'll kind of come over to the side here, and the other capital letter there. So one code on the side and one code on the top. And then if you go into the square, remember you take the letters from the top and the sides of the square and you put them into the boxes. So if we do that, add some text here, we could put a capital T, lowercase t in this first box because we're taking the letters from the side and the top. And then if we go to the next square, we're also going to have a capital T, lowercase t. And then down here, oops, down here, let's see if I can move it here. Here we go. We have a capital T, lowercase t. And the final box, we also have a capital T, lowercase t. So from these two parents, we're going to have in all of our boxes capital T, lowercase t. The capital letter, if you even just have one of those, is going to give you the dominant trait. Dominant trait is short. Okay. So we will be able to figure out our results with each box of our Punnett square equaling 25% of a chance of getting a certain trait. We could say that for this combination of a code, genotype is our code, we would get 100% of our results are that genotype, and that would give you a capital letter would give you tall, right? Tall plants. So there is another example of a Punnett square problem.